versus High Command Court. We expect an announcement, but big breaking news which is coming in. We are quickly moving on to that, and this will have huge implication. The NEET entrance exam for 2026, which was held on the 3rd of May, has been cancelled. NTA has cancelled the NEET examination, which was held on the 3rd of May. This is big news which is coming in. Remember, there were murmurs and a probe which is on even as we speak by the Rajasthan police after there was alleged leaking of the question papers. Over 120 exams. Question papers, questions were seen to be part of the Common Choice program and papers which are given out. They said and alleged that there was a possible leak in the state of Rajasthan. Following that, NTA has cancelled the NEET 2026 examination. This is absolutely huge. We are waiting for more details which is coming in. This is in continuation to the testing agency's wishes to inform the candidate, parents and members that the NEET exam of undergraduate has been referred to matters under other consideration to the central agencies for independent verification necessary action, consistent with the standing commitment to be fair, secure and credible. On the basis of the inputs which have been subsequently examined by the NTA in coordination with the central agencies, in fact, the National Testing Agency, with the approval of the Government of India, has decided to cancel the NEET 2026 examination, which was conducted on the 3rd of May, to reconduct the examination on dates that will be notified separately. This is huge. Let me go across to Shefali. Shefali, what does it mean? After the paper leakage, it appears the fallout is this. Exam has been cancelled. All those who appeared for the exam on the 3rd of May have to reappear.
Right. This is a very big news that is coming. We know that there are news of NEET UG exam being, there's a scam which was being alleged earlier as well. We are currently at the NSUI office where NSUI is also going to hold a protest regarding the same. They are going to move towards the Education Ministry regarding the same matter, asking for answers and accountability. You can see the police deployment over here. Large number of police has been deployed here in order to ask the protesters to not to protest. But clearly, this is big, that complaints regarding such irregularities such as paper leak has surfaced, and due to which the exam has now been cancelled, and the central agency has also
well, in fact, sorry to interrupt you, Shefali, stay with us. Let me go across to Hina. Hina, I believe you have the official notification with you. What does it say?
Well, that's right. This is what the National Testing Agency, or NTA, has put out on X. It says, in continuation of its press release dated 10th May, the agency wishes to inform candidates, parents and members of the public that, the decision has been taken that the examination, the NEET UG 2026 examination that was conducted on 3rd of May has been cancelled after irregularities surfaced, and they say they will be reconducting the examination, and for that, of course, the dates are going to be notified shortly. Apart from that, they are saying that the inputs received by NTA, National Testing Agency, taken together with the findings shared by law enforcement agencies, established that the present examination process could not be allowed to stand. The reconducted exam, dates along with reissued admit card schedule will be communicated through the official channels of the agency in the coming dates. So clearly, this is going to cause a lot of inconvenience to the aspirants there. Admit cards will have to be reissued. The entire process will have to happen again. They say the Government of India has further decided to refer the matter to CBI for a comprehensive inquiry into the allegations therein, and NTA will be extending full cooperation to the Bureau and will provide materials. So CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, has been handed over the entire matter. That is going to be looking into the irregularities and what really happened behind the scenes that led to eventually cancellation of this very important exam. They are saying
Right.
that this decision has been taken in the interest of students and in recognition of the trust. The registration data, candidature and examination centers opted for the May 2026 cycle will be carried forward to the reconducted exam. So this is very important update, Meghna, for students specifically. They are saying that no fresh registration will
Absolutely.
be required, no additional examination fee will be levied, and fees already paid will be refunded to the students, and exam will be reconducted using NTA's internal resources.
Oh, that's one of the biggest travesties for all the students who have worked so hard, appeared for the examination because it was allowed to be leaked. Let me go back across to Shefali. Shefali, what are you picking up? Because this cannot be the drill year on year. Every year we have the same thing because there are paper leaks which have been allowed year after year. There are other students who have appeared for these examinations. They are the ones who are being penalized, especially if this entire exam has to be given all over again. Even if they do get refunded, even if there is no additional fees which is levied, at the end of it, the students' efforts have gone to waste.
Correct. We are here talking about the future of these students. This is not something which can be ignored. And of course, now that the NTA is saying that they are going to fully cooperate and the CBI investigation will take place, but this is really concerning as far as these aspirants' future is concerned. Also, as I have told you that we are at the, you can see NSUI protesting. You can look at the posters that they are displaying. PM is compromised or doctor's ki degree bikau hai, things like that you can easily see here, and are protesting. Large number of NSUI workers have gathered over here and protesting on the same matter, saying, asking accountability and questions from the Education Ministry as well. And they were planning to protest, march towards Education Ministry, but as you can see, police have stopped them, barricading have put in place and asking the protesters to disperse from the area. You can see, look at the visuals of police deployment, as well as from the other side of the barricade, you can see a large number of protesters protesting on the same issue, and you can look at the different banners that have been put by them. We unfortunately, the protesters are on the other side of the barricade, and hence we are unable to speak to them. But as we will try and speak to some of the people regarding this incident as to what they are now demanding.
Well, this is horrible to have this kind of a conundrum for all the students who've prepared for it. You're telling us, Shefali, that there are NSUI students who are already protesting against it. Rahul Gandhi yesterday also said that this is an auction of the future of our youth. This has been one of the biggest problems, isn't it, year on year? Tell us why this has been cancelled. Is it because of a possible paper leak which has happened in Rajasthan? The Rajasthan police are already inquiring and probing into it since yesterday.
Right. As per the reports, we have learned that out of 720 questions, around 600 questions were already there in some guest paper apparently, and has circulated on WhatsApp. This is what are the reports suggesting, that there are around 600 questions that have already been there in that guest paper out of those 720. Oh, there are some movement happening over here. You can see NSUI workers are crossing the barricade, and sloganeering is happening. You can see the visuals over here. They are it seems the angry protesters are sloganeering and are trying to jump the barricade. You can look at these visuals right front, happening right over here outside the Shastri Bhavan. You can see here the protesters showing their barricading. We'll try and